Today I'm taking you through 10 surprising experiences you might never expect on European river cruise. We all know river cruises are one of the best ways to travel through Europe, with stunning scenery, historic towns, and relaxed luxury. But there are some truly unique features that might just surprise you. So stay with me till the end and let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most and which one would you like me to cover in more detail in a future video. In this video, I'll be highlighting top cruise lines like Amawaterways, Amadeus, Viking, Scenic, Emerald, Riverside Luxury, Avalon Waterways, and Uniworld Boutique River Cruise Collection, each with their own hidden gems. Hi friends, I'm Oksana and welcome back to the Signature Travel channel, where we explore the world of European river cruising together. If you're new here, I post weekly videos filled with first-hand travel tips, expert cruise insights, and real reviews of the best river cruise lines in the world. So if you're planning a river cruise or just love beautiful destination and amazing food, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me create more videos just like this for you. So let's dive in, starting with number 10. Pickleball on a river cruise. Let's kick things off with something totally unexpected. Pickleball on a river cruise. Yes, really. While most river cruise ships are too compact for full-size courts, AmaMagna, Amawaterways' groundbreaking double-width ship on the Danube has made it happen. It's the first ever full-size pickleball court on European river cruise, and it's right up on the sun deck. You can play with a partner while cruising past castles, vineyards, and charming villages. Yes, the pickleball court may be open while AmaMagna is sailing, weather permitting and in absence of the passing underneath the low bridges. It will also be open when the ship docks during the daytime. A maximum of 4 guests, 2 teams of 2, may play on the court at any given time. If you're a pickleball fan, this is more just fun. It's a truly unique experience you can't find on any other ship. Playing in the middle of Europe on water, that's one for the memory books. Number 9. Butler service on a river cruise. Oh yes. You may think of Butler service as something reserved for luxury ocean liners or 5-star resorts. After all, river ships are small with an already high staff-to-guest ratio, so having a butler might sound a bit extra. But here's the truth, it's your vacation, and if you love the little luxuries that make a trip feel truly indulgent, the butler service might just be the cherry on top of your river cruise sundae. Let's start with the standout lines. Scenic and Riverside luxury cruises include butler service for all guests, yes, even if you're not en suite. And with Uniworld, guests in suites enjoy a dedicated personal butler, available around the clock. What can a river cruise butler actually do? Packing and unpacking luggage, scheduling laundry and pressing services, shining shoes, serving meals in your suite, making reservation for onboard amenities like the spa or restaurants, assisting with shore excursions, reservations, and other arrangements, providing recommendations for activities and local points of interest. Some lines, like Riverside, even have butler communicating directly with you through the WhatsApp, so your next cappuccino, dinner reservation, or pillow request is just a message away. Is it essential? Maybe not, but is it absolutely amazing and worth trying at least once? Without a doubt. Because when else can you be spoiled on the river like royalty? Number 8. Cruise and rail with Uniworld. 2 luxuries, 1 epic journey. We know how special river voyages are, so how about combining them with another unique way to travel by train? Cruise and rail is a new and exciting way to explore the world with Uniworld. These itineraries combine the best of river cruising, land travel, and luxury train experiences. As a pre- and post-cruise editions, you'll enjoy one of the finest private train journeys available. Imagine ever-changing views outside your window. It's all about comfort, seamless travel, and everything taken care of you. Uniworld partners with Golden Luxury Train and Maharaja's Express, both known for elegant design, great service, and guided daily excursions. And yes, it's all-inclusive. Enjoy gourmet cuisine, fine wines, and a private train dining car just for Uniworld guests. You're pairing a floating boutique hotel with gliding luxury train where your in-suite cabin transforms from cozy lounge to a comfortable bedroom. Here's one example itinerary. This is 15-day journey, starts in Istanbul and ends in Paris. Imagine this, You begin in vibrant Istanbul, traveling by private train through 7 countries with stops like Champagne. Yes, there is wine tasting, and even a live saxophone concert inside the Postonia caves. Then you sail through the Normandy on Seine River, visiting charming French villages and World War II sites, all in Uniworld's signature floating luxury. This is next-level travel, perfect for anyone who wants to elevate their European adventure beyond the ordinary. Cruising. Number 7. Movie magic on the river. Yes, you can watch a full movie under the stars while sailing through Europe. And it's not just clever, it's absolutely magical. Let's start with Emerald Cruises. On their starships like Emerald, Sky, Star and Dawn, the indoor heated pool isn't just for swimming. At night, this beautiful space transforms into cinema. A telescoping floor glides over the pool, the light dim, and suddenly you're in a floating movie theater completely with plush seating and popcorn. The retractable glass roof means you can watch your film under the open sky or beneath a glass ceiling with stars above. It's one of the most unique, immersive experiences on any river cruise, and a perfect way to end a magical day of sightseeing. Now let's talk about Uniworld, where the cinema experience goes even further. On SS Maria Theresa, they've built a state-of-the-art cinema, and its luxurious, intimate space with Dolby surround sound, blue velvet chairs, vintage Austrian film posters, and even dining service. Movie night on a cruise ship, pool by day, theater by night. River cruising just got way cooler than anyone expected. Number 6. Golf and river cruising. If you think taking a river cruise means giving up your golf game, think again. You can now combine luxury river cruising with championship golf thanks to dedicated programs from Amawaterways. Amawaterways concierge golf program offered on select Danube river sailing aboard the AmaMagna. This is one of the most exclusive golf programs on the water. If you're traveling with a group or want more course variety, Amadeus River Cruises offer custom golf cruise itineraries on the Danube, Rhine, Seine, and even the south of France. Whether you're a serious golfer or just want a round or two with amazing views, these programs let you play world-class European courses with zero stress. You focus on your swing and they handle everything else. Number 5. A salt room on a river cruise. Did you expect that? Wellness on river cruises is no longer just a quiet spa corner, it becomes a full experience. And it starts with something truly unexpected, a salt therapy lounge aboard Scenic cruises. That's right, on select Scenic spaceships, you can step into a healing salt room, relax, breathe deeply, and enjoy the natural benefits of halotherapy while gliding through Europe. But that's just the beginning. Wellness on water is more than just massages. River cruises today offer an incredible variety of wellness programs across the top lines. Here are the wellness activities you can find on river cruises. Start your day with sunrise yoga, resistance band workouts, or core strengthening session on Amawaterways, Scenic, Avalon, and more. Some ships have dedicated wellness hosts or coaches to guide you. Relax with massage, facial, or full spa session on Scenic, Uniworld, Amawaterways, Amadeus, and Riverside Luxury. Many ships have onboard spas that rival luxury hotels. Stay active with well-equipped gyms on ships from Scenic, Amawaterways, Uniworld, Avalon, and Amadeus. Some offer personal coaching or guided workouts. Amawaterways include wellness presentations to help you bring healthy habits home, not just enjoy them during the cruise. Look your best with hair styling, manicures, pedicures, and facials on ships like Uniworld, Avalon, Amawaterways, Riverside, and Scenic. Perfect for the dinner or night out in town. Wellness River Cruise lets you care for your mind, body, and soul, all while exploring Europe in luxury. So next time you think cruising isn't just about food and sightseeing, remember you could be doing yoga in the morning, hiking vineyards in the afternoon, and sipping champagne after a salt room session, all on the same day. Number 4, celebrate your love on the river. Do you want to celebrate your love but without the stress of high cost of traditional banquet hall events? How about renewing your vows on a ship in Europe surrounded by stunning scenery, fine wine, and just the two of you or a few close guests. Amawaterways make it possible with their romantic renewal of vows package, a heartfelt experience that turns your river cruise into something truly unforgettable. For just $499, here's what's included. A symbolic vow renewal ceremony led by the captain or ship official, 2 one-hour massages and salon service to get photo ready, a custom-made dessert by onboard chef, romantic turn-down service with rose petals, and of course, a bottle of champagne. Whether you're celebrating a milestone anniversary or planning a surprise at sunset on the Danube, this experience is all about honoring your journey together without the stress, the crowds, or the price tag of a big event. And while the ceremony is symbolic, not legally binding, the emotions very real. Number 3, chef's table experience on the river with Amawaterways. I've experienced it twice and I absolutely love it. There's something truly special that's included in your cruise fare, but feels like a 5-star night out. The chef's table is must-do culinary highlight. This isn't just a dinner, it's a beautiful curated 7-course tasting menu served in intimate setting with just 28 guests. You get a front row seat to watch the chef prepare each course in an open demonstration kitchen, and yes, every course is perfectly paired with regional wines. And the best part, it's included, no extra charge with Amawaterways. You just need to reserve your spot once during the cruise. Amawaterways is proud member of La Chaîne de Rôtisseurs, a world-renowned culinary society. So this isn't just dinner, it's a celebration of food, wine, and European flavor, all while floating past castles and vineyards. If you are a foodie or just love memorable meals, the chef's table is something you'll talk about long after your cruise is over. Honestly, I would book the whole cruise just to experience this meal again. It's that good. Number 2, Viking adventures on board. If you've only cruised with Viking, you might not know what you're missing because Viking doesn't have bikes on board. While they sometimes arrange third-party bike excursions, they don't carry bicycles for guests to use them on their own. But on most other river cruise lines like Amawaterways, Avalon, Emerald, Scenic, Uniworld, Talk, and Amadeus, bikes and some even e-bikes are included, and they open out a whole new way to experience Europe. You can join a guided bike tour with a local expert, or if you prefer a little freedom, just grab a bike, a helmet, and a map and set off on your own schedule. Imagine biking through the Vaha Valley in Austria. You will ride from one postcard-perfect town to another. On Amawaterways, bikes are available on most European cruises, and they even offer guided tours. Ships like AmaMagna have dedicated bike storage areas, make it easy to join or leave the ride. Avalon waterways also include e-bikes on select sailings, especially on their active and discovery itineraries, which are perfect for travelers who like to explore with little energy. Emerald Cruises and Scenic Luxury Cruises provide top-quality bicycles and e-bikes and include them in their Emerald Active or Free Choice excursions, letting you choose your level of adventure from a casual ride along the river to a more immersive cycling tour through a historic city. Uniworld, Talk, and Amadeus also provide complimentary bikes for guests to take out independently or join in small group rides, whether it's Strasbourg, Cologne, or quiet wine region in France. So if you love the idea of combining active travel with luxury, this is one of the most underrated and unforgettable features of river cruising. Because on the right ship, you're not just watching Europe go by, you're pedaling right through it. And the last one, number 1, pools with a view. Sure, you might already know that some river cruise ships have pools, but what might surprise you is how creative and unique those pools can be, especially considering how limited space is on a river ship. On the SS Maria Theresa by Uniworld, there is a small stunning indoor pool just off the leopard bar, framed by a white-on-white mosaic mural of birds, flowers, and animals. Floor-to-ceiling windows let in natural light, but here's the twist, the glass is modesty glass. The moment someone enters, the clear glass frosts over, turning opaque for privacy. It's beautiful, relaxing, and smart. Over on Emerald Cruises, as I mentioned before, you'll find the ship's daytime pool that transforms into a movie theater at night, a clever use of space that lets you swim or float during the day and enjoy a film after dinner. Amawaterways is known for its sun deck pools with swim-up bars. While none of the ships have pools, some have hot tubs. Their newer vessels feature heated pools perfect for cooling off after a summer excursion. And yes, you can sip a cocktail right in the water. On Scenic, you'll find Vitality pools, more like a large hot tubs, tucked into the sun deck with bar service close by. Riverside Mozart offers a relaxing wellness space with a small pool, cushioned lounges, rocking chairs, and even saunas and steam rooms in separate changing areas. A spa-like experience on water. And while Talk keeps it simple with jacuzzi on the sun deck, it still offers a lovely way to unwind under the open sky after a day of touring castles and cobblestone towns. Pool on river cruise ships may be smaller than what you find on ocean liners, but they make up for it in style, serenity, and surprise. After a day of exploring Europe, you deserve a little plunge of luxury. And there you have it, 10 unexpected things you might not know about river cruising. I hope this video gave you a few wow, I didn't know that moments. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. I post new videos every single week filled with insider tips, ship tours, destination guides, and river cruise secrets you won't find anywhere else. If you have questions or thoughts, leave a comment below. I personally respond to every single one. Thanks for watching. God bless you and see you in the next video.